And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of them. Packet of ham, packet of like, oh big tub of lemon, other meat bits, another tub of worms, and 2 tubs of maggots. Yeah, where do you want to meet, Jade? See you in a bit then. See you in a bit then. I said let us know when and where, and then you would go meet her. She goes, but I've got no rod or anything. I went, we've got one here you said you could use. She goes, but it's going to be a bit small for me, isn't it? I went, no, that's my beginner's rod, so she can use that one. Battery change, guys.